Container gardening has become increasingly popular in recent years as people have started to realize the benefits of growing plants in pots. Whether you have limited space or just want to add some greenery to your patio or balcony, container gardening is a great option. Here are some container gardening ideas to get you started. Number 1. Herb garden. Herbs are easy to grow in pots and are a great way to add fresh flavor to your cooking. Some popular herbs for container gardening include basil, thyme, parsley, and cilantro. Salad garden. Growing your own salad greens in a container is a great way to ensure that you always have fresh, healthy greens on hand. You can plant a variety of lettuces, spinach, and other greens in a large pot or even a hanging basket. Tomato garden. Tomatoes are another popular choice for container gardening. Choose a large pot and a determinate tomato variety that is suitable for growing in containers. Flower garden. Container gardening is not just for growing food. You can also create a beautiful flower garden in pots. Choose a variety of flowers in different colors and heights to create a stunning display. Succulent garden. Succulents are easy to care for and can thrive in a variety of containers. Create a miniature garden with a variety of succulent plants in different shapes and sizes. Vertical garden. If you have limited space, consider a vertical garden. You can create a vertical garden with a variety of plants and flowers using a hanging shoe, organize, or a pallet. Fairy garden. Create a whimsical fairy garden in a container by adding miniature furniture, fairy figurines, and small plants like moss and miniature ferns. Fruit garden. If you have a sunny patio or balcony, you can grow small fruit trees in containers. Some popular choices for container gardening include dwarf citrus trees, blueberries, and strawberries. No matter what type of container gardening you choose, make sure to choose the right potting soil and fertilizer for your plants. With a little care and attention, your container garden can thrive and provide you with fresh food and beautiful flowers.